Hey everyone, it's Zach Snow again, and for my case report number 7, I decided to talk about scenario 2, which is basically defining the difference between typhoons and cyclones, and between different attacks, such as Cyclone Nargis and Typhoon Chawan. Now, here's a picture of Cyclone Nargis, which was weird when I first looked at it. I'm like, how can something so big make such a big storm like that? And it almost looks like there's kind of like a pillar-like thing in the center of it. One thing that I thought was interesting is I really didn't think that tsunamis could be formed from this. I know that might sound funny, but it was kind of interesting to me because tsunamis can actually be catapulted by cyclones and typhoons to cause even more of the damage depending on the category of the hurricane or of the cyclone. Now this is a picture of Typhoon Chawan. Typhoon Chawan, which was what I thought was interesting, it was actually one of the most powerful typhoons to ever hit. It was a category 5 typhoon, and it ended up killing over 140,000 people, doubling the amount that was killed for Cyclone Nargis, and even doubling the amount of displaced people, 800,000. And with this picture right here, which is of Cyclone Nargis, this is a little bit of the aftermath of the destruction that it caused, and it left 500,000 people homeless. And even to this day, there's still certain parts of Cyclone Nargis that are still being hit or still being rebuilt. And this is just a little bit of what it looks like when a cyclone might be coming in. It's unimaginable what these people had to go through. And also, an interesting fact about Typhoon Nargis is it's not likely to ever get hit again. And here are my references, guys. Thank you for listening, and you guys have a great night.